Shoes reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're hunting for sneakers, WSS is a popular destination, but most people get this wrong by assuming prices are low or uniform. The surprising truth is that WSS carries a wide range of brands and pricing reflects style, rarity and demand. Affordable everyday sneakers start around, while premium or limited edition sneakers can range from. Seasonal releases or collaborations may cost even more, but often include unique designs not available elsewhere. What you get: access to both popular and niche sneaker brands, occasional exclusive releases, and in-store or online purchasing options. What you give up: higher prices for limited items and occasional waitlists for high-demand releases. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Sign up for restock notifications. Step 2. Compare prices online to ensure the best deal. Step 3. Check reviews for comfort and sizing. Step 4. Plan purchases ahead of peak release periods. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore WSS. Popular shoes may sell out in minutes. The surprising truth is that WSS balances affordability with exclusivity, making it a go-to for sneaker enthusiasts. In conclusion, WSS offers a variety of footwear at multiple price points. By monitoring releases, reading reviews, and planning ahead, you can secure stylish and comfortable shoes that deliver excellent value for your money.